Alright, welcome back. This is Mr. Cisneros. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to set yourself up with the master title block template in Inventor. So in order to actually use this master title block template in Inventor through AWS, right, through the Amazon Web Service app, we will have to make sure that this master title block is going to be in our Google Drive. So if you're using a computer, you will have to go and log into Schoology. Once you go to our course, the master title block template is going to be the fourth one from the top. You can go ahead and click on that, and then it'll take you to this page. In order to download it, all you have to do is click on it once. When you click on it once, it will show up in your downloads folder. It'll also show up on the bottom left corner here if you're using Google Chrome. Once you have that downloaded, you'll just have to go to your Google Drive. So I have a new tab open here for Google Drive, and I'll navigate over to my PLTW folder in Google Drive. And all you have to do is drag and drop that document, that master title block, into your Google Drive IED folder. So you can just simply click and drag, and you'll be able to drop it right into the folder called PLTW that we've created before. If you're using the iPad, it is a little bit different. So back in Schoology, once you get to this page, you won't be able to click on it here to download it. Instead, you'll have an arrow on the top right corner of your iPad screen. If you tap on that, it'll allow you to send it to your Google Drive. You'll even be able to choose which folder you want to send it to. All right. Once it is in your Google Drive, similar to this right here, then you'll be able to go to AWS, Amazon Web Services. You'll be able to open up Inventor, and you'll be able to open the master title block template. Okay, that is it for this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to open this document in Inventor. Okay, we'll see you then.